Hi, my name's AJ Bussin. I'm the Senior Production Agronomist with Wysocki Produce Farms. I'm also on a 12-month leave of absence from the University of Wisconsin-Madison, where I'm a professor in the Department of Horticulture. While I was at the University of Wisconsin, I was a statewide potato and vegetable cropping system specialist, where I focused a great deal on how to optimize the management of nutrients in potatoes and different vegetable crops. Part of the reason I took my leave of absence is so I could have hands-on experience working with a farm that integrates dairy and large-scale vegetable production. So we utilize multiple techniques in our planting operations. We have multiple monitors that provide us video shots of where things are planted. We can actually monitor and control every row that exists within the planter. Within our potato planters, for example, we have 8 rows, and we can shut off every row, or we can shut off half of the rows, or we can shut off 2 or 3 rows. Furthermore, all of the tractor and the planter are being controlled by the guidance system, by the monitor that's located below it. The lines across the field are equidistant spaced, and the tractor will actually travel along those lines within an inch deviation over the entire farm. That allows for precision planting and allows for a maximum utilization of the land area and optimal placement of our seed and of all of our inputs. Most of our fertilizers or pesticides are all targeted to the crop row to minimize application in any crop or part of the field where crops aren't actively growing. The GPS guidance system actually tracks the operation as it goes across the field, and we can mark and track every individual seed piece, and then it's recorded and automatically linked back to our servers at our farm headquarters. We can actually monitor the seed placement as we go across the field. In this monitor right now, we're actually tracking the number of skips and the accuracy of the planter, and it shows that we're planting at 95% plus accuracy. With regard to potatoes, this is about an 80% improvement over what we were previously allowed to do with our planting operation. Onboard video monitors allow us to track the seed as it's being planted. The cups grab the seed in the bottom of the hopper and bring it up, and they vibrate and actually singulate the seed, so there's only one potato seed piece on each cup. Different planters operate differently. Corn planters, for example, singulate with vacuum. Planters for crops such as corn, green beans. The emissions from this tractor is actually less than what occurs in a Prius. Great advances have been made over the course of time to capture emissions by diesel tractors and diesel farm implements. The guidance systems actually allows the tractor operator to manage the implement hands-free. This greatly reduces driver fatigue and also allows the operator to monitor the planting operation and all other activities while he's in the field. We rate control the fertilizer that's being applied on every row, and these bank of pressure valves and control systems allows us to instantaneously shut off fertilizer so there's no spills at the end of the field, and also make sure that we're applying the appropriate rate all the way across every pass of the field. Precision planting is extremely important for optimizing crop production. The reason this is so critical, if we have a crop failure, or we lose yield because of poor stand, or because of disease or insect damage, then our crops are not utilizing the nutrients to the maximum ability. Our goal is to have as near perfect planting operation as possible. This utilizes all the land area and all the nutrients available to the crops in the most optimal way possible.